The Sudio Femtio. Hello everyone, welcome to Brian Unboxed. These are the Sudio Femtio Bluetooth speakers. I will go over specs, features, provide audio samples, then give my thoughts. I have included the link in the description below for the product. If you're new to my channel or have been here before, thanks for taking the time to watch. Also, don't forget to like, subscribe, and enable notifications so you don't miss out on future videos. So let's take a look. Inside it comes with the user guide and Type-C charging cable. The speaker features 14 hours of listening time, uses Bluetooth 5.0, 20 watt output, dual pairing, button controls, USB-C for charging, and it's IPX6 water resistant. It comes in 3 color options: black, silver, and anthracite. The speaker is small and portable. It has a fabric mesh lining all around, and it has a base that it sits on for stability. You can see the radiators on each side. On the front, you have the branding along with the status LED. On the top, you have the Bluetooth pairing button, volume, track controls, multi-function button, and the on and off. On the back, you'll find the auxiliary port and USB-C charge port. The speaker comes in at about 7.5 inches by 3.25 by 3.25. It weighs in at 670 grams. Now for some audio samples.
You wouldn't understand it. Maybe something's missing inside of you. Just a bit of sugar to that horrid bitter. Maybe you taste different. Hold up, baby. I can't sit beside you.
Numbers on my phone, they keep calling me. Girlies at my shows, why they all on me? I don't want them, no, get them all off me. Say that for L, she a cause, you see. 4 cars deep, we'll come through on a late night. Chicken spot, wings and fries, we call that a day night. Lights on, so out, I don't have no stage right. Knew that I was built for this forever, ever.
Here are my thoughts on the speaker. I like the 3 color options and the overall design. It looks sleek, and it can definitely fill a bedroom or living room with no issues. Bass comes in punchy and tight, and it doesn't overwhelm. Mids and highs are crisp and clean, and there's good separation with vocals and instruments. And volume levels get high without any distortion. One thing I would have liked to see is app integration. But other than that, it's a solid speaker. So that is my review of the Sudio Femtio Bluetooth speaker. If you like my video, go ahead and hit that like button, and if you haven't subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button as well. Until next time, this is Brian Unboxed. Take care everyone.